everyone, welcome. Today I'm starting my fall project by using some pawpaw branches. My pawpaw trees grow so tall and straight, and the bark is so smooth, it's perfect to use for all types of DIY projects. To start my project, I'm cutting a total of 10 14-inch pieces for the side, and for the top and bottom, I'm cutting a total of 8 16-inch pieces. I'm using these pawpaw branches for my project, but I think any straight branches would work great. To make the side of the frame, I've separated the 14-inch pieces, and I'm bundling each end together with some floral wire. Once my wire is attached, I then use some hot glue to help hold them in place. After my 14-inch piece sides are complete, I then do the exact same thing for my 16-inch pieces, top and bottom. Once I'm done, I'm giving all 4 sets a coat of white acrylic paint. Painting them white is completely optional. You can always choose to leave them natural. I'm turning mine into a faux birch. I really like the way it looks, and I use the same technique on a birdhouse that I made before, and you know what? I'll link that video above in case you'd like to check it out. While I'm painting, I thought this would be a great time to tell you that I'm participating in the Fall Farmhouse DIY Challenge. It's being hosted by 2 nest channels, Sandra from the Schwowin's Nest and Carol from my Blessed Nest. Both of these women have amazing channels, and I'm going to link them below in my description along with the playlist for the challenge. Once all my stick bundles are painted, I'm using the Gather sign from the Dollar Tree. I'm removing the hanger and I'm painting that white as well. I painted the back and the front, and I ended up giving it 2 coats of paint. With everything painted, I'm now using some medium gray acrylic paint, and I'm going to turn the white bundles into birch. This is so easy to do. I take a paintbrush and I randomly dab the gray paint here and there. Then using my finger, I just kind of rub it into the wood. The best part about this is you can't make a mistake. If you dab on too much or not enough, don't worry about it. Just rub it in because, like a birch tree, there's no exact pattern. To make the frame, I'm putting 1 16-inch bundle on the top and 1 on the bottom. I'm then adding a 14-inch bundle on both ends. Then, using my glue gun, I attach the 4 corners together. I'm accenting the corners with this polished hemp, but you can use any type of jute or twine. I placed a dot of hot glue in the corner, and I'm using about 2 feet of hemp. As I'm wrapping, I'm only going in one direction, and I'm adding a little hot glue along the way to hold it in place. When I finished, I cut the end and hot glued it to the corner. Once that's complete, I'm following the same instructions, but this time I'm crisscrossing the hemp in the opposite direction. When you finish, you'll have a crisscross X pattern on the corner. You're going to do this on 2 opposite ends, and this not only looks really cute, but it also helps to hold the frame together. When you're done, the opposite ends have a nice finished look. To embellish the frame, I'm using some flowers, leaves, and pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I separated the sunflowers from their stems and I removed the leaves. Then, using my glue gun, I attached them to the corner. Once they were in place, I then attached the mini palms. These mini white pumpkins are so cute, and I'm adding in 2. I'm adding in some contrast by adding some leaves from the mini palms. And now I'm adding in some of the pretty fall leaf accents. This is so pretty in the fall colors, and if you changed up the sign and the flowers, I think it would be beautiful for any season. After my first corner was complete, I then followed the same pattern for my second. Before I add my gather sign, I'm going to give it a slightly rustic look by using a piece of sandpaper and filing down all the edges. I continued sanding the edges until they looked slightly worn. When I'm done, and to finish up my project, all I need to do is hot glue it into place. This was so fun and inexpensive to make, and the best part is it will take me right through Thanksgiving. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you had fun, and if you think you'd like to come back and hang out with me again, don't forget to click that little red subscribe button below. I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.